Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I'm going to put stakes along at the same distance out from every fence post, and now I'm going to go in with cross bracing before I continue on with upright boards to support the we need the cross bracing to support the posts, well, the whole fence against the wind, which is brutal here. And once they start putting the uprights on, then it becomes a sail. And a lot of power blowing on that. So, I'm going to carry on with this. Well, that one's too long. Funny that. My first one on video. Fail. Let me get a different one. Well, sort of cutting a long board, which I don't want to do. I've got shorter boards, is all I have left. So we'll see how it holds up. We'll definitely find out. Strong. That's what's important. I'm also taking the nails out of these. They're used lumber. I'm taking the nails out so Michelle doesn't get hurt on them, just so you know. I just got to get all the cross bracing, and then I'll have the girls come out and help. Oops. Well, that didn't work. Oh, my glove got in there. Well, it's holding. I'm going to carry on with that. I've got to get more boards, one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 more fence posts. Right now what I have to do is remove these zinc plated screws and put screws in meant for treated lumber. When I started out, I was using zinc coated screws, and I realized I need special screws. So I take out half the screws first. And then I put in new ones. Then I'll take the other half out, swap them. And then remove the others. I don't like how it's chipping the wood. thought the zinc screws were fine, but I read online, and I'm thankful I did, that they're not. I want to do it once and do it right. That's why I'm doing all the back bracing and then the building behind the fence, all in one project. So I've got a few more to do to get this prepped to put the uprights. Every once in a while I check that they're level upright. No, I'm behind the fence. I'm going to shut you in. I will. That's right. That's right. Michelle says I'm making a fence so nothing can get her. No tigers. No what? I use one treated screw per board to hold it up, and then we file along with hammers later and hammer them in. This way I can always adjust if I make a mistake somewhere. I learned that the hard way. I did. Yeah, I did. And after every few, I check again. I don't know if you can see me because the camera is very limited in range. Perfect. The camera scope is horrible. Yeah, you can see me. Well, anyway, I'm going to carry on. We hope to finish this today. We'll see how it goes. It's raining on and off, though. Did she scare you? What? Okay. Just be careful with it so you don't break it, okay? You're hitting the fence with it. You're going to break it, Michelle. It's not a toy. These are all warped in one side. Oh boy. These are terrible. Oh, my glove wound around a screw.
Yeah, that's. I can't work with the gloves.
Stopped. You gotta put that. Ask your mom to close it for you.
Oh, yeah. Please? Thank you. You're welcome. That is so pretty.
And so it goes on and on and on.
And up and up and up and up.
Well, we're down to here. We've got 3 sections left. That is a big, long fence. It is the longest privacy fence I have ever seen. It's been raining on and off, so I haven't been recording constantly. You can see what we did today. We're moving right along. I hope to finish this last sections, but we're low on hardware, so I might have to run in and get some before they close. Well, guys, almost. We're that close when we ran out of nails. So I've got to go to town. That is a big fence. That is a long fence. I got to go to town. I got the truck warming up. We're going to get some more nails. Hi, Michelle. You want to be in the camera? Huh? I finished the boards this morning. Let me show you. How's that for a pile? The top 1/3, I think it is pine. And there's not very good boards in the pine, but I can get some, I can trim them and get some useful lumber out of them. And then I've put some heavy weights on top. And then over here, we've got the 12-foot pine. Again, not a lot useful out of the 12-foot lengths. But if I get a 1x2 or 1x3 or a 2x3, I mean 1.5 by whatever, you know, it's lumber. And it all adds to it. And then there's a pile of stickers and kindling. A decent sized pile. So we got all that. But whew, we're tired. So far, today we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5 sections. And we got 1.5 to go. A little less than 1.5 left. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it yet tonight. I got to add more back bracing in here. When we get that pallet lightened up, I'll have to move that and put a back brace there. Put a couple more in the front later on yet. But we'll get it. We are getting it. It is really, really good. I can use the brake, so I'm going to go to town and get some nails. We ran out of nails. These are special nails for treated lumber. Well, guys, I got back and we had a very brief pause in the rain and we finished. We did 9 sections today. That's quite a privacy fence. It's the longest I've ever seen. And well, I did some cleaning up. Well, Melanie finished the last nails. I hauled over all of our boards. I still have 2 more back braces, cross bracing to do. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, actually 4, but the end post is going to have to stay open for now so we can drive through. But anyway, it's raining, so I don't know if we're going to get anything done now or not. We worked in the light rain earlier. We did follow the contour of the land, and there's quite a rise up right here. So I don't know, it looks okay, especially from outside the fence. But it's a start. Soon we'll have our entire property closed in and we'll have safety and peace, finally. Well, guys, that's another day done. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our almost daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget and safe. Good night.